Hello, I'm Madeline Coria. I am a student ambassador here at UAT, majoring in advertising arts.
Hello, my name is Lahansa Fernando. I am a student ambassador here at UAT. My current majors include computer science, robotics, as well as AI and data science.
Hi, my name is Talon. I'm a student ambassador here at UAT. I'm a game art and animation major here, as well as an advertising art major. Absolutely, I was scared and I was nervous. I had two friends that I knew coming in here, but I wasn't super close to them. So everything was just brand new to me. It was just a new chapter in my life.
I was really nervous about the people here because I did not know anyone other than my roommate prior to coming here. For when I first got here, I just slowly began meeting people, and then now I know a lot of people.
I come from Alaska, so I'm not from AZ. And when I came here, I knew absolutely no one. My family came down here, they basically left me here by myself, and they went back to Alaska, so I had to figure things out by myself. Slowly, I befriended some people who were RAs. They introduced me to other people who I'm really close with. And then soon I got to meet a lot of different people, and I still am. So yes, I was really, really nervous when I first started, but now I'm very comfortable around here and very open compared to me who started back in July.
I think the community aspect was what surprised me the most, because it wasn't something I really thought about a lot, but because of how small the campus is, I got to know everyone very quickly. And coming into the fall semester, I had a provost challenge, and the group I was put with became my friend group now, and I hang out with those people every day, and they become some of my closest friends.
One thing that surprised me most was how chill people are here, because I know that at other universities things can be a bit chaotic. While there is a little bit of chaos here at times, it's just calm for the most part, and everyone here is just laid back.
How easy it is to actually meet people and get to know people and have a connection with your professors, with other people. But I guess another thing is learning about different degrees we actually have here. So when I first started here, I was only doing data science and AI. But when I actually got here, I got to meet a lot of people who are in different majors. Some of my friends who were robotics, some of my friends are in the games and the arts. So I got to learn about those different majors that I didn't even know existed. And that is what led me to doing 4 majors. And I'm really grateful to have this big friend group who has these different majors, because I would not like to be in a friend group where all of us are AI majors or data science majors. It's really nice to have people in different majors because you have different personalities clashing with each other.
The community here is relatively small because we are a smaller university. And from my experience, we're just we're chill for the most part, even though sometimes we can be unhinged. It's overall pretty nice. And again, I've gotten to know a lot of people real quickly because of how small this university is. And if I ever needed help, say hey, I need so-and-so, and I could just be oh, they're over here, or they're over there, that kind of stuff. And once you get to know people, you tend to know where they're gonna be all the time.
There's so many people here that, you're bound to find people that you click with, people that are very similar to you. And even keeping up wise, the professors here are very laid back, they're very chill. I haven't really had an issue with anybody here. I've had times where, I've just messaged them, I'm hey, I've had a bad week, I've been busy, work's, been busy, I can't get to something. They've given me the time, they've been very, they've worked with me a lot on what I've needed to do, and I've never had bad grades because of that. So I've always been able to catch up. As long as you communicate with your professors, you'll be fine. There's a few things that I'm proud of, but I think the most excited I was about one was in my game art class. It was vehicles and character animation and modeling. But it was my first time building a vehicle outside of trade school. So coming here and being able to do it again with bigger horizons that I wanted to achieve I got to just build like a full-fledged tank, like in Autodesk Maya. I got to model that from scratch. I got to texture it, and I got to showcase it. But I was really proud of it.
And one thing I am proud of building is getting my circuits to actually work in class, because I know that a lot of people have problems getting circuits to work, especially if you're new to robotics like I was. So I was really glad that all my assignments worked out and I actually got the LED to turn on instead of exploding in my face.
There's a lot that you can do here that isn't very typical at other colleges. There's a lot of hands-on experience here, so I get to just, work on stuff all the time, new projects every week. I'm not just studying for a test all the time. I'm not just memorizing for a quiz. I actually get to model stuff. I get to make environments, characters, animate. Even some of my elective classes, I've gotten to make board games here just for fun, or not for fun, I get graded on it, but it is fun. And then right now I'm in a creative writing class, and I've been wanting to write for a while, so that one's also really fun, something I didn't think I'd just get to do.
What I wish someone told me before I started is that there are people who actually care and who are looking out for you.
I wish somebody told me not to be as scared as I was or as nervous, because everything worked out just as fine for me. You should come here for the community, you should come here for the hands-on experience, and you should come here to make some amazing things.
I believe you should come here because of the class sizes compared to most universities where it's 100 to 200 students in one classroom. You get on average 15 to 20 students in a classroom.
I believe you should come here because we have over 23 different degrees to choose from. So come on over and start picking and choosing what degree we want to start today.